Hi people! How are you? I like this beat. By now you know that I like to dance when I cook. Sometimes I sing too. Life is to be cherished. Life is to be enjoyed. Okay? So today I'm making a recipe. A traditional Greek recipe with chickpeas. Sometimes I use the dry ones. Sometimes I use the can. Today I'm using the can. Come on. Maybe you don't even know how to deal with the dry ones, right? They need time. They need patience. These are ready. We just rinse them and use them. So, this is a recipe that we put in the oven and forget about it for an hour and a half. And it's perfect. It's so good. So, I have a little bit of bacon and some olive oil. And we're using an onion. I'm going to saute all these together. And garlic, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, fresh onions, just a few. So how are we doing so far? Is it getting to us, this corona thing? We should be very, very careful, but at the same time, we'll have to enjoy it. Enjoy life. Okay? Do what you like. I'm cooking, a lot of cooking. I hope by the time this ends, I can go out the door. Feet go out the door. I don't know about that, but anyways. And this, my hair, it's out of necessity because I haven't gone to the hairdresser for so many weeks. And after 35 years, I haven't gone to my hairdresser. Can you imagine? This is a catastrophe. Okay, so here we are sauteing this. 3 stalks of celery. All cut up. This doesn't need a lot of cooking right now. Just to, warm it up and bring the flavors together. We have parsley, carrots, and I have some dill. You know I cannot cook without dill. I love dill. So what we're doing now, I'm gonna wilt it a little bit, cook them down a little bit. Take maybe a few minutes. The bacon is going to give it flavor, and then this is almost also a vegetarian dish. If you don't want to put the bacon and the chicken base that I use, it's going to be just fine. Don't worry. There's a lot of flavor in here to make it delicious. So I'm going to use this baking dish. I'm going to put in my chickpeas. Actually, I have 4 cans. So, I always use sugar in my cooking because I like the balance it brings. But now I'm going to use some raisins, some sultanas. This is actually such a nice medley. I love this recipe, really. Salt and pepper and some red pepper flakes to make it hot. Okay, so it's ready. We're gonna put that on top. Wow, look at this. Some diced tomatoes, about 2 cups. about 1 cup of tomato salsa with the herbs and spices that you like. It can be any. Wow, it looks so good. Look at it. I mean, it's inviting the way it is. 2 cups of chicken stock. And of course, hot water to cover. Like this. Because it's going to cook and it's going to absorb, and of course, if you think we have enough oil, we didn't. We're going to add some wonderful quick olive oil. Because these kind of recipes, we call them Ladera, which means oil. They have oil. Okay? Ladera. They're delicious. They hit the spot every time. And it's an alternative. If you want to try something new and something fresh, you're going to try this recipe. Okay? This is going to go in the oven now for about an hour. And it's going to be delicious. So here we go. Wow, it's heavy. Looks good, huh? There you go. 400 until it starts to boil, until it starts to cook, and then 350 for the remaining of the time, which is about an hour. Okay, an hour. So, I hope you enjoy my recipe. I'm having a good day with my son, and the music, and the food, and the ingredients that we have to play. So play in your kitchen. This is Litsa. Bye.